This video shows you how to add custom text to your Samsung Galaxy lock screen in 2026. If you want to personalize your phone or make it easier for someone to return it if it's ever lost, adding a custom message to the lock screen is a great option. The feature is built into Samsung's One UI, so you don't need to download any additional apps. Let's get started. Begin by opening the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can do this by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon. Once you're in Settings, scroll until you find Lock Screen and AOD, then tap on it. On some Galaxy models, the name of this menu may be slightly different, such as Lock Screen or Wallpaper and Style, depending on your One UI version. Inside this menu, look for contact information and open it. This option allows you to place a short message directly on your lock screen. Now it's time to make it your own. Type anything you'd like to display, such as your name, an emergency contact number, if found, please call, a medical alert, or even a favorite quote. Samsung also supports emojis if you want to give your message a little extra personality. When you've finished, tap Done to save your changes. To see the result, simply lock your phone and wake the screen again. Your custom text will appear beneath the clock, making it easy to read without unlocking the device. Your Samsung lock screen is now personalized. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful Galaxy tutorials.